Honey, you scared me.
Come on, look at you, looking so beautiful.
Honey, stop. I have a lot of work to finish.
Come on, this can wait.
Maybe, but not today. I need to finish up this and fast.
But Maya, we can't have this child.
Eh? No. Come again.
Listen, all that I'm trying to say is we can't have it. Our condition doesn't permit us.
Don't bullshit me again. We are having...
Yeah. Oh, na na na. Libra on the beat, oh. Okay, for baby. Oh, yeah, my God. You so fine, why you too bad, oh. Oh, na na. Oh, na na. Oh, yeah, my God. You so fine, why you too bad, oh. Baby, say I don't see that thing she dey do to me. Baby, say I don't see that thing she dey do to me. Come come na Maya, oh. Come na Maya. That girl be fine lady. She be that pretty cutie lady. But she got a bad mind. She got a dirty mind. She dey play me, oh. She dey bring in the cases. Oh yeah, my God, you so fine, why you too bad, oh. Oh girl, my girl, you so fine, why you too bad, oh. Baby, say I don't see that thing she dey do to me. Baby, say I don't see that thing she dey do to me. Come na Maya, oh. Come na Maya, oh. Come na Maya.
My girl, that girl, she be fine girl but bad girl. She pretend to love me, fair. It wanna do nightmares. At first she was a blessing, but now full of care sense. What they was up and down in the kitchen, wanna prepare the dishes. Just keep mute, as a mente. Be your penny pa me, diamante. Me drink the correction, son of my acte. It was on a pair of Becca, infante. Obetina na share, baze. If I catch you, no begging, back to hometown. Obeco fancy. Go.
Oh yeah, my God, you so fine, why you too bad, oh. Oh yeah, my God, you so fine, why you too bad, oh. Baby, say I don't see that thing.
Oh yeah, fine girl,
Honey, you scared me.
Come on, look at you, looking so beautiful. I want to have my way.
Honey, stop. I have a lot of work to finish.
Come on, this can wait.
Maybe, but not today. I need to finish up this and fast.
But this is not fair.
I know. I'm sorry.
You're behaving as if...
I'm sorry. Honey, I'm sorry. I love you. This is my husband.
Diamond, what are you doing here?
I thought my sister called you. I was busy at home when she called me and asked me to pass by and pick up an important file for her presentation at work. I'm sorry, please.
Oof. 10 missed calls. Please hold on. Hi, honey. Oh, do you? Please, I'm sorry. I slept off. By the way, are you the one who sent your sister to come and pick up the file? Oh, okay. Which one? Oh, alright. I love you too. Okay, bye. I'm sorry, Diamond.
Don't worry, brother-in-law. I'm not here to bite, nor devour you. But I'm glad I came here though. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
Thank God. Why, Maya? You have been up to this for the past 1 week. What are you trying to prove?
So can't I come to your hall now?
Coming to my hall looking like this?
Why are you angry at me? Haven't you seen this body naked before? Haven't you entered this body before? So what's wrong now? Ever since I came to this house, it's like you don't want me around. You don't talk to me. You just greet and pass.
What should we say? What should we talk about?
About how my fiancé kicked me out of his house or what happened between him and I.
Oh, really? Okay. So now, tell me why your fiancé sacked you from his house.
Oh. Now you want to know?
Yes, I'm all ears.
Thanks to you, I won't be able to give birth.
What? What do you mean?
Your stupid abortion has spoiled my womb. Period. I missed it.
What do you mean by you missed it?
Are you a child? I'm pregnant, Kay.
You're what? Pregnant? Who is the father?
For the flower at the corner. What sort of stupid question is that?
I know this pregnancy is not mine.
What's the meaning of that? You are the father of this pregnancy. Okay, get ready to take responsibilities.
But hey, it's been a long time we had intercourse. So what are you trying to say?
Oh. Did you forget you released in me the last time we had sex?
What? Just that thing. Don't tell me that thing made you pregnant.
Don't bullshit me, Kofi. You are the father of this child, so you better find something sensible to tell me before I go to the family here to announce it.
You are sick in the head. Maya? Oh! I know you are plotting to stop me from getting married, right?
You need proof?
This pregnancy is not mine. Maya, this won't work.
Oh, really? Tell that to the family head, because I'm on my way to tell them.
Wait. Maya, wait. Let's talk about this, please. Come here. Maya, are you sure this pregnancy is mine?
Okay. The state that I'm in right now, I'm not ready for any stupid conversation.
But Maya, we can't have this child.
No. Come again.
Listen, all that I'm trying to say is we can't have it. Our condition doesn't permit us.
Don't bullshit me again. We are having this baby.
You know I love you, and I know you love me. This child is something that we can keep. How are people going to see us?
Let's get away. Let's find somewhere no one knows us. We can start over.
But Maya, you don't get this. Leaving everything behind and starting life over is not easy.
I won't care. All I care is you beside me.
I'll do everything for you. Please, let's terminate this.
Now I understand. You never loved me.
Look, don't say that. I do love you.
You didn't even consider the fact that I can die through the process.
Listen, I promise you I'll find the best doctor for you. It's impossible for you to die.
I thought having this pregnancy would change everything. I thought having this baby will let you reconsider your actions, but no. It's okay. It's fine. I will do the abortion. I wanted to have this baby, but I can't look at him without remembering this betrayal.
No, don't say that. Listen.
It's fine.
Thank you very much. I promise you
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay, please. I love you. Okay? Well, Miss Maya, there is something not to discuss all alone. I would like to speak to your husband.
He's not my husband. He's my brother.
Where is your husband then?
I was raped. I thought it was nothing serious till I realized I'm pregnant. He just came to accompany me.
The thing is, if you really insist on doing this abortion, you might not get pregnant again.
What's the chance, doctor?
Miss Maya, it's a 50-50 chance.
I'll do everything for you. Please, let's terminate this. I promise you I'll find the best doctor for you.
I thought having this pregnancy would change everything. I'll take the chance.
Miss Maya.
I said let's do it! Let's proceed.
Alright. Mavis! Mavis!
Doctor!
Please come. Take her to the theater.
Okay, doctor. Madam. Madam. Please, let's go.
You're welcome.
Doctor, please, we are done.
Thank you. Miss Maya, everything was successful. Except that,
Except what?
as we discussed, you might not have any child again.
Might or won't?
Probably won't. Unless a miracle do happen. It will be very, very difficult. Very difficult.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
Can we keep this between us? I don't want my brother to know about this. Please.
Miss Maya, it's my perfection. So it's not a big deal.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Oh, Kofi, no. Everything went well. Okay, except that.
Dog!
Except what?
Well, Kofi, talk to your sister. Okay?
And now the doctor said I can't get pregnant again.
Is that true?
Is that what you're asking me? As if I'm a liar. And you are eager to get married just to get away from me. Whilst I suffer and wonder how lonely my life will be.
Baby.
Maya, please, let's fix this.
Fix this? Fix this as if I'm a machine? Get out of my room. Get out! Get out!
Okay. Hey, I'm sorry for what I did. I've not been myself.
Don't even try to touch me.
I've not been myself, and I put it up on you. I'm really, really sorry.
Say, I am not in the mood to discuss anything with you. Just leave me alone, okay?
Now, for information, you see this girl here? Please wait there. Can't you be serious for once?
Yeah, my girl, you so fine, why you too bad? Oh girl, my girl, you so fine, why you too bad? Don't be say I don't see that thing she dey do to me. Don't be say I don't see that thing she dey do to me. Come come na maya, oh. Come come na maya. That girl be fine lady. She be that pretty cutie lady. But she got a bad mind. She got a dirty mind. She dey play me, oh. She dey bring in the cases. Oh yeah, my God, you so fine, why you too bad, oh.